Formulation, evaluation and assessment of bilayer tablet of candesartan Selexetil manufactured by direct compression technique. Quantitative evaluation and assessment by Raja Narendra B and P. Pavan Kalyan. A sustained-release drug delivery system is specially designed to provide a drug in the human body at a predetermined and constant rate, zero-order dissolution. The primary objective of sustained-release drug delivery is to ensure safety and to improve the efficacy of drugs as well as patient compliance. Conventional dosage forms are accused of repetitive dosing and unpredictable absorption windows that cause a wide range of fluctuations in drug concentration in the bloodstream and tissues with subsequent undesirable toxicity and poor therapeutic efficiency. Bilayer tablet is suitable for the sequential release of two drugs in combination, separating two incompatible substances, and also for sustained release tablets in which one layer is immediate release as the initial dose and the second layer is the maintenance dose. The goal of the present investigation was to formulate and evaluate bilayer tablets of candesartan Selexetil for an extended period of time. The tablets were prepared by using different polymers, sodium alginate, ethyl cellulose, HPMC K100 in various proportions by using direct compression method technique. The tablets were evaluated for angle of repose, bulk density, taped density, weight variation, thickness, hardness, friability. Determination of drug content, scanning Fourier transform infrared spectroscopic analysis, FTIR, in vitro disintegration time studies, in vitro drug release studies, stability studies of tablets and ex vivo residence time. 9 formulations were developed by using different polymers in different proportion. The formulation F7 shows an in vitro drug release of 96.28% in 12H along with satisfactory results. From the experimental results, it was concluded that F7 was the best formulation based on dissolution profile and physical characteristics. Formulation F7 showed total drug release in 12 hours and showed fair flow properties when compared to other formulations. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for watch more scientific research videos.